Okay, there's a request that you answer it.
Mr. Chair, since they're here, maybe they can answer it now. Is it true, sir, that hindi pa napapadala yung video, Mr. Chair?
Yusek?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yung pong CCTV video is not within the jurisdiction po ng ano.
Can you
ng
speak
OTS.
louder, please? Closer to the mic.
Mr. Chairman, Your Honors, yung pong CCTV na nire-request is not within the jurisdiction po ng ano ng OTS. It is with the airport po.
I see General Honrado is making a face. General, it seems you want to respond to that, please.
Your Honor, I believe that the footage of the CCTV is with the OTS because it was shown to us during the visit of
Nako, ito nga sinasabi ko, may kapalpakan, nagtuturoan na eh.
Mr. Chair.
Yusek, General already said it's not within their jurisdiction. You're saying it's not within your jurisdiction. Kanino ba? Janitorial services?
Mr. Chairman, may I be clarified as far as that particular request on CCTV footage po?
You mean you're not aware that there is a request for CCTV footage to be submitted to the NBI? Are you aware or are you not aware? You're not aware.
I'm not aware of the request.
Talagang walang mangyayari sa complaint nila. Yeah. NBI is represented here, or DOJ if you would wish to, anyone from DOJ, NBI. NBI, please. State your name, please.
Manuel Antonio Duarte, the Chief of Anti-Organized and Transnational Crime Division, the Head of Task Force Talaba. As of this moment, sir, we have yet to receive the response from OTS regarding that CCTV footage.
To whom did you give the request? To the airport authorities or to OTS?
OTS, sir. It was originally handled by our National Capital Region Command, but upon creation of the task force, the case was turned over to us.
Okay, there you have it. Tignan nyo to. Ito ang sinasabi ko, kapalpakan ng sistema. Yusek Recomono, it seems you have a lot of catching up to do.
Sir, per my advice.
Who is advising you? You're the head of the agency. You should be able to answer it. You
yes,
just
Your
said that you have no jurisdiction. Do you retract that now, that you have jurisdiction? Do you have possession at least? If you don't have jurisdiction, do you have possession?
Wala po kaming possession as far as the CCTV.
So how will the complaint proceed now? How will the victims get justice now?